Good morning, student. Today I am going to show you how to point out some centers or some places or different forest area. So we learn today how to point out in the map of the world. So first of all, we discuss about different grassland. Okay, students, you know that different grassland is known by different names in the world. Okay, so let's see. First of all, we talk about grassland in Africa. Grassland in Africa known as veldt. So here this is the place that we found maximum or we can say large area covered by grassland, and it is known by veldt in Africa. So here I am going to write veldt, P-E-L, veldt. Now we talk about grassland that is known as steppe or steppe in Asia. So we mark it here, steppe. Okay, now we talk about grassland in Australia, which is known here mainly, or we can found in the southernmost area of the Australia. Okay, now it is known here Downs. Okay, now we point out grassland in South America, which was mark this area mainly, and it is known as Pampas. So here we mark it as Pampas. Now this same grassland is known as prairie in North America. So we mark it here. And this area is known as prairies in North America. So these are the grassland that we found. So first of all, it was known as steppe in Eurasia. We can say that in Africa it is known as veldt, and in Australia it is known as down. Then in North America it is known as prairie, and in South America it is known as pampas. So all these are the we can say all these are indicated grassland area in the world. Now next we point out some places that having low HDI rank or high HDI rank. So first of all, we marking in the map of the world the place which have highest HDI rank. Okay, so highest HDI ranking in the world is Norway. So we can say Norway is the highest HDI ranking in the world. So first of all, we mark out here the places, the place which is known as highest HDI ranking. So this one is known as Norway. So in the bracket we can write it as highest HDI rank. HDI rank. Now the student here, HDI means Human Development Index. Now we talk about lowest HDI rank area. So lowest HDI rank area mainly found in Africa in the western part. So this area we can say that lowest HDI rank area. So we can mark this area with black ink so that it look different from other places. Okay, now this is lowest HDI rank area. Now we talk about the largest desert area in the world. We all know about the area that we know as highest or largest desert area in the world. So this area is known as Sahara, which is located in Africa. So now we are going to mark here Sahara Desert, which is the largest desert in the world. So this area is known as Sahara. Okay, Sahara Desert. Now we mark here in the map of the world one mega city which is located in China. So of course it is Beijing. So we mark it here and right here Beijing, and Beijing is a mega city in the China. So now next moving here, that is in South America. Here we found Amazon basin, which is largest basin area in the world. So we can mark it here, Amazon basin, with different shade. That here we can use this shade. Okay, now this area is known as Amazon basin. Now we point out the area which is largest, we can say, or the country which is the largest in Africa. In some question paper it was asked to student that to answer this question, the highest area, or we can say highest area based country in the Africa. Okay, so name the country which has highest area in the Africa. So this answer of this question is Southern. So we mark it here this way and right here Southern. So Southern is the highest area based country in the Africa. Now we mark here some places in Europe. So first of all I'm going to mark here England. Next I'm going to mark here Switzerland. Okay, next we mark here France. So these are also important for your exam. So these are some places that I mark here that is very important for your final exam. That's all for today. Thank you.